Hey guys, I'm getting ready to go over Lily's house. She's one of my tribers and I'm taking her a recipe for Graves' autoimmune disease. Interesting disease that she's been battling with and I'm going to help her. So let's take a look at this. Let's go. Back in it again. Here we go. Woo! It is a nice and hot day in Colorado. Finally, I'm done with the winter. Who's ready to juice? Juice, 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 juice. Hey! Oh, too cute. ¿Cómo está? Oh my God. I'm here with one of my tribers, Lily from Puerto Rico. I'm coming here because Lily has Graves' autoimmune disease that she suffers from. So when I was talking to Lily, I kind of wanted to really focus on creating a juice recipe that can actually help. Kind of tell us a little bit, because I was not very familiar with the Graves' autoimmune. I'm more familiar with lupus and Hashimoto and all that, but I kind of want to let her talk about a little bit about it.
Sure. So Graves is more like, I know everybody has heard of Hashimoto's.
Yeah.
So what it happens is your immune system attacks your thyroid. So Hashimoto, for some reason, is more common and make your thyroid to be hypo.
Right.
So the Graves is the opposite.
Yeah.
It attacks your thyroid, but it makes you hyper.
Right.
So nothing wrong with your thyroid. It's just the immune system what is attacking your thyroid and having all these other symptoms.
Right. When I started doing a little bit of research about it, number one thing that you need to be doing is celery. That's going to be like your best friend. Celery has a lot of antioxidants that are really good, designed to help around the thyroids. Anti-inflammatory, which is huge.
Yes.
And it's gonna help you a lot. The other one is I'm making a juice that's very green, but I'm also adding apple to it.
Great.
Because apple does work very well with that. And it just gives it a little bit of a,
Sweetness,
kick to it,
a little
sweetness to it,
sweetness.
right. But kale is another one. Kale, the combination of kale, celery, cucumber, lime, and we're also adding turmeric and ginger, which again,
Very good
these
for
are
anti-inflammatory.
yes, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, powerful antioxidants. They're going to help with your thyroid. They're going to help with your digestive system, your heart, everything, and all that is connected. Kale
So
first.
just the first,
Uh-huh.
just the kale, all of
So
them,
let's add. Yep.
all of it.
Yeah. Oh, maybe
All of them.
She's not too much of a sweet person,
No.
so she's gonna always be leaning more towards green juices.
Right.
So you could do so many different combinations with greens, zucchini. I mean, there's so many things you could do. Kiwi, it's not that
It's not that sweet, yeah.
but it's also very good for the kidneys. Every vegetable and fruit has a function, and it heals your body in some type of way. But when you start mixing vegetables like celery, kale, spinach too, they work towards your immune system. That's the key.
And that's what I need.
That's
I
the
need
key.
to.
And then lime and lemon balances out your pH in your body. So it all has a function, which is magical.
Yeah,
Magical.
for sure. Did you recommend to drink this juice first thing in the morning?
Every
right?
morning.
Every morning.
Right after your fast, juice. That's my blueprint, and it works.
Smells so good.
And
Here
then
you are.
we're gonna add a little dash of cinnamon
Just a
to
dash?
regulate our blood sugar. Yes.
OMG, looks so yummy.
Una salsita. Woo!
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Juice party.
This is awesome,
Isn't it good?
Yogi. I love the taste. Not too sweet,
No.
but it has that
No.
little cinnamon kick also. Started juicing maybe 6 years ago. I just saw this documentary and I was fascinated about how much juice can change your health.
Oh, yeah.
And it's good for many diseases. So I started drinking. I was very boring, so I started drinking mostly something like this, but I didn't know
Yeah.
what I was drinking. Now with you, I'm learning so many benefits. How do you add the turmeric, the ginger, So for me, it was very
combinations.
basic. Yeah. So I started with the combination, learning from you that it doesn't really change the taste
No.
much, but it still have so many ingredients that are good
Oh
for your
my
health.
God. No, it's amazing.
And I just love juicing.
I know, no, it's addicting. I mean, once you start juicing, like on a consistent basis, it's addicting. You're gonna get addicted to it. Do you think people
Cheers.
should like and subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Absolutely. Like and subscribe. You're going to learn a lot from her.
Oh, thank you. Yes, like and subscribe and join our tribe.
Yes. Salud.
Salud.